do bashful? Oh, that's bashful. Do bashful, Dix. What about sneezy? Oh, that's a good bashful. What about sneezy? Sneezy. Oh! Oh! That's what sneezy does. What about... Alright. It hurt your teeth a little bit. Oh, better. Oh, I kiss you better. Oh, Sally. Oh, that hurts a little bit, isn't it? Oh, it hurts a little bit. Okay. After sneezy, what about sleepy? How does sleepy go? Do you know how sleepy goes? Show me. That's alright, I'll do it in a minute. Show me how sleepy goes first. Show me how sleepy goes, Dix. Oh, that's a good one, Joe. That's a good one. How's sleepy go, Dix? Dix, what about Doc? What about Doc? That's sleepy. How does Doc go? Doc do that, he says. And what about Grumpy? Oh, that's a good Grumpy. Look at that. That's a good Grumpy. That's a good one. And what about Snow White? How does she go? Can you sing a song? Oh, you're a good girl, Joe. Go on. Oh, can you sing for me? Can you sing Snow White song, please? How does Snow White go, Dix? Oh, Joe's the best singer. Come on, Joe. You sing them for me, ready? Ready? I get Snow White. I'm writing you sing for her. Here she is. Okay, ready?